Good morning, students. Welcome to physics class. Now, in this class, we discuss about the topic heat. What is the definition of heat? Heat is a form of energy Heat is a form of energy that flows from a hotter body to hotter body to a colder body. Okay, students. Once again, what is the definition of heat? Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy that flows. Flows means transmit. It transfer from a hotter body to a colder body. That means the heat is always transfer from hotter body to colder body. Is called that the definition of the heat. The heat is measured in calories. Calories are joules. Calories are joules. Calories, it is that the Celsius unit of heat. Celsius unit of heat, calorie. And that means the heat is measured in calories in Celsius system. Next one, the heat is measured in joules in SI system. In SI system or SI unit. Okay, students, what is the Celsius unit of heat? The Celsius unit of heat is calorie. What is the SI unit of heat? Is joules. The heat is represented by the term heat is represented. It is represented by symbol Q, capital Q. Here, what do you understand? Q means heat. That is, the heat is represented by symbol Q. Okay, students. Now, the heat is always flows from hotter body to colder body. Next, based on this definition, we solve the given problem. That is, the definition is understanding that from one of that example. Okay, students, in the given an object A at 10 degrees Celsius and other object B be at 10 Kelvin are kept in contact, then heat will flow from dash to dash. Okay, students, based on the definition of heat is given one of the problem. That is, we understand the definition of heat with the help of any one of the problem. What is the given the problem based on the definition of heat? An object A at 10 degrees Celsius and other object B, it is present at 10 Kelvin temperature. Both are kept in contact, thermal contact. The heat will flow from dash to dash. And we say the answer, the heat flows from A to or B to A. Which is the correct answer? The heat is travel from A to B or B to A. Here, given different temperatures, object A, it is present at the temperature 10 degrees Celsius. Object B, it present at 10 Kelvin temperature. Okay, students, you are given the temperature of object A on degree Celsius scale. The temperature of object B is given on Kelvin scale. Degree Celsius is that the CJ system, Kelvin is that SA system. And that is the temperature is measured in degrees Celsius in CJ system. The temperature is measured in Kelvin on SA system. Here given both units are different. So you solve that this given problem. These both units are they are expressed into the common units. After we can solve this problem. And we solve this problem before these both units are they are expressed into the common units. And yeah, the CJS unit is converted to SA system. The SA system is converted into CJS system. And both units are they are expressed in a common. Now here the 10 degrees Celsius is converted into Kelvin scale. How can you convert the degree Celsius scale into Kelvin scale? We can use the formula temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. Already we know that you have to convert that one scale to that another scale. That is degree Celsius scale into Kelvin scale or Kelvin scale into the degree Celsius scale. We can use the formula temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus degree Celsius. Here is given temperature in Kelvin 273 plus what is the given here? The temperature in degree Celsius is given 10 degree. Therefore, hence had a substituted 10. 273 plus 10 is equal 283 Kelvin. Now had to replace that 10 degrees Celsius. Had to write 283 Kelvin. 283 Kelvin. Here both units are converted into, they are expressed into common system. And here had to solve these problems. Both units are they are expressed into common either SA system or CJ system. The given 10 degrees Celsius into converted to Kelvin scale 283. Now we compare these two temperatures of object A and object B. The temperature of object A is 283 Kelvin. The temperature of B is 10 Kelvin, which is that hotter body. 283 Kelvin is a hotter body. 10 Kelvin is a colder body. That's why the heat is flow from hotter body A to colder body B. A to B. Okay, friends. Next one, we goes to that thermal equilibrium. Next one is a thermal. Next one is thermal equilibrium. Okay, students, look at next one topic. We goes to thermal equilibrium. What is the thermal equilibrium? We take two objects, object A and object B. These both have different temperatures. One of object is hotter body, second one is a colder body. Both have different temperatures. Now we take different temperatures of two objects. These two objects are put in thermal contact. What happens? Different temperatures of two objects are put in a thermal contact. We notice that the heat transfer from hotter body to colder body. The heat is transferred from hotter body to colder body up to the both bodies that attain the same degree of hotness. The same degree of hotness or the same degree of coldness. This state is called thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium means we take different temperatures of objects. They are put in thermal contact. What happens? The heat flows from hotter body to colder body. Up to that, the both bodies are attained the same degree of hotness or the same degree of coldness is called thermal equilibrium. That means we take two or more than objects. They are put in the thermal equilibrium. All bodies, they have a same degree of hotness or the same degree of coldness. For understanding that that's equilibrium, let us consider a small example. What is the given example? Three bodies ABC are thermal equilibrium. The temperature of B is 45 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature of C is. In this problem is given three objects. Object A, object B and object C. These three objects, they are put in thermal equilibrium. A, B, C, thermal contact. Here are given the temperature of B is 45. The temperature of body B is 45 degrees Celsius. Then what is the temperature of the C? We know that thermal equilibrium means all bodies they have the same degree of hotness, the same degree of coldness. Here the given temperature of B is 45 degrees Celsius. That way the C is also has 45 degrees Celsius. The A is also has 45 degrees Celsius. And the temperature of C is 45 degrees Celsius. And that means thermal equilibrium is all bodies, they have the same degree of hotness or the same degree of coldness. Okay, students, tomorrow we'll continue next class. Thank you.